Hello fellow YouTubers, Scott here, Scott Mechanics again. Just going to show you this external monitoring and how this Ferris Pro is set up. What we have is a docking station here. This has an SVGA port here. Bottom of your, this is your connection for your external monitor TV. And you have the power supply this side, 3 USBs, and there's another USB somewhere else as well. So that's that. So how have we got it set up? Well, as you can see, we've got an NEC Here we have an NEC 40-inch TV. So what we'll do, if we go into our right click in the middle of the screen, in properties, in settings, you see monitor 2 isn't actually used. Supposed to click in here. We haven't actually done that. Can't read that. That's nice. Done that. And we'll zoom into that. Well, you can see if we click on identify, it shows we're only using one monitor. Identify. There's our monitor. But we go into advanced, and then display. You can see this is the resolution of the TV screen. It's cloned. Got LVS clone. I don't know if you can see that. And different resolutions. There's different resolutions there. If we click on them, so with all these different monitors to pick from. Just to show you that's working, we're going to pick a different one. It's on 1280 by 1024 85. So if we just zoom out, the monitor on there. What we'll do, we'll pick another screen resolution just to show you. Now you can see that's appeared massive on the screen. Obviously the resolutions are working, although it says that monitor isn't in the settings. If we go back to the one we had, well, you can see it's definitely a better resolution. That all works fine. So I say it's SVGA into the TV. At the back, 40-inch NEC television. And then obviously if we put on, if we say OK, we put on diagnostic, home, we go up the vehicle. The vehicle we're working on today, and then if we go into the web browser, you can see you got full screen web browser. Go into something like Autodata. Looking at that today, see that's a nice resolution, it all works, and obviously it all works. It's cloning the little monitor, so like that. So that's just how we've got ours set up on the big monitor. Hope you like that. Thank you for watching.